Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best picture mug is probably one of the most heartwarming and personalized gifts you can give or receive. Imagine sipping your morning coffee or tea from a mug adorned with cherished memories, a custom design, or a funny inside joke. Picture mugs offer a unique way to celebrate special occasions, commemorate loved ones, or simply add a touch of personality to your daily routine. Number 5. Custom photo mug, 11 ounces or 15 ounces, personalized gifts. Looking for a unique gift? This custom photo mug is perfect. You can personalize it with your favorite photos, text, or logos. The mug is fully customizable. You can adjust the photo and text placement on both sides. Design it exactly how you want it. Choose from 9 vibrant colors. It's dishwasher and microwave safe, making it convenient for everyday use. The dimensions are 4.5 by 5 inches. This mug is a great way to cherish memories. Every time you take a sip, it will remind you of your loved ones and bring a smile to your face. It's easy to create your own mug. Just click Customize Now and start designing. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. This mug is ideal for Christmas, Mother's Day, Father's Day, weddings, engagements, and anniversaries. It's a thoughtful and personalized gift. Please note that this product includes one mug only. The images are for color variety display purposes. What we like? This mug is fully customizable, allowing you to add photos, logos, or text. It comes in a variety of colors, so you can pick the perfect one. If you're looking for a way to keep your memories alive and enjoy them every day, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The picture quality came out so good. The design turned out amazing, bright, funny, and super high quality. They did a really good job on transposing the pictures on the mug. The picture was more clear and they didn't cut off part of the picture like the other one did. Number 4. BRD Gifts Personalized Magic Mug. Want a unique gift? Click Customize Now to create your own design. You can add a photo and name to make it special. This mug is made of high-quality ceramic. It's safe for both the dishwasher and microwave, making it convenient for everyday use. The dimensions are perfect for a standard 11-ounce mug. The design on this mug is made to last. The high-quality digital print ensures that it won't wear down, so you can enjoy it for years to come. Looking for a gift for him or her? This magic mug is perfect for husbands, wives, boyfriends, girlfriends, and family. It's a special gift for any occasion. Surprise your friends with this thoughtful gift. It's a great anniversary gift, Christmas gift, or just a personalized coffee mug gift. They will love it. What we like? This mug features a unique color-changing effect that reveals your design when hot liquid is added. Made from premium quality ceramic, the print is designed to last. If you like a gift that adds a touch of magic and surprise to your daily routine, you should consider this. What people say? I am wowed by the quality and how cool it is as the image appears. A perfect traditional size for morning coffee without overdoing it. La imagen aparis como por arte de magia. La transformación es rapidísima y siempre impresiona, tanto a invitados como a quien la recibe de regalo. La calidad de la impresión es excelente, los colores se ven vivos, nítidos y la foto queda perfectamente definida cuando la taza está caliente. Number 3. Personalized stainless steel tumbler with photo logo. This personalized tumbler allows you to add your own photos, logos, or text. It's a great way to make it uniquely yours or create a special gift. Made with food-grade stainless steel, this tumbler ensures your drinks are safe and free from any metallic taste. It's built to last and keep your beverages at the perfect temperature. Available in 20 ounces and 30-ounce sizes, it's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're at the gym, in the car, or at work, it's designed to keep you hydrated. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This tumbler is ideal for Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, and more. It's a personalized present that anyone will appreciate. If you have any issues with your customized tumbler, please contact us. We're committed to providing excellent customer service and ensuring you're completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like? This tumbler is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and a sleek look. Available in multiple sizes, it's perfect for any beverage. If you are looking for a versatile and practical gift for someone who is always on the go, this is a great option. What people say. The images I provided came out perfectly. I love that it looks crisp and clear. The mugs turned out beautiful. I loved the colors and the prints were excellent quality too. The pictures and letters are very vibrant in color and detail, which is a hat I wanted but wasn't sure if the company that made this could pull off. Surprisingly, they did. Number 2. Thermo-Temp Stainless Steel DIY Travel Tumbler. Introducing the Thermo-Temp Travel Tumbler. This tumbler is made with BPA-free stainless steel and can hold 12 ounces of your favorite beverage, hot or cold. It's the perfect way to enjoy your drinks on the go. This tumbler is designed for personalization. You can add a photo, monogram, drawing, or even a scrapbook page. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a truly unique item. Inserting your design is simple. Just twist off the stainless steel bottom, slide in your custom insert, and twist the bottom back on. It's quick and easy to personalize. Please remember that this photo tumbler is not dishwasher safe. To keep it in top condition, be sure to hand wash it only. This will help preserve your design. Looking for a great gift? This tumbler is perfect for friends, family, or even yourself. It's a thoughtful and practical present that anyone will appreciate. What we like. This travel tumbler allows you to create your own design with a simple insert. Made with BPA-free stainless steel, it's safe for both hot and cold beverages. If you like a gift that is easy to personalize and allows for creative freedom, you should consider this. What people say. They wash easily and I'm sure work very well for photos. This thing is exactly what it says it is, a travel mug that you can put your own picture sleeve into. Template makes it easy to add photos to create a great keepsake gift. Number 1. Magic Color Changing Mug, Personalized Photo Gift. This unique mug changes color with heat. When cold, it's black, but pour in a hot drink and watch the magic happen. It reveals your hidden picture. To customize, select your color and add your photo or text. You can upload an image or add text directly. Then, add it to your cart. Made from safe, environmental ceramic, this mug is designed to last. Remember to hand wash only. The color changing effect is reusable. Add your favorite photo, name, or message to create a special gift. Your image or text will appear on both sides of the mug. It's a perfect personalized present. This mug is a great way to preserve memories. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion, like Christmas or birthdays. They will cherish it for years. What we like. This mug changes color with heat, revealing your hidden picture. Made from high-grade ceramic, it's designed for durability. If you like a unique and interactive gift that adds a touch of fun to your morning coffee or tea, you should consider this. What people say. The design came out great, looked just like the picture I submitted. The picture gradually came in with his mom's hot beverage and she was pleasantly surprised by the brilliant picture. The picture shows up perfectly, just takes a little bit for it to show up. The cup is a little small for a man who loves coffee though. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.